Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to leave a shared folder on Dropbox. Now if you want to leave a shared folder on Dropbox but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Dropbox app on your device. So if you have not installed, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open the Dropbox app and make sure that you're already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, then you won't be able to leave the share folder. So here you will see the option of home, files, photos, account and all of it. So if you click on the option of file section, here you'll be able to find the number of folders which have been shared you by the owner itself. So currently there is no folder which has been shared to me by my friends. So I won't be able to show you the full step. But the thing is that you just need to tap on the three dots next to the folder which you want to leave, and from here you will see the option of leave above the delete button, and if you click on the option of leave like that, you will be able to simply leave the folder which has been saved by the owner tree. So that's it. That's how you can leave the share folders on Dropbox. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.